Okay, so Sheldon's gonna play with his new bumblebee timer. He has no idea that it's gonna go off. He doesn't know what it is. He likes playing with the phone, don't you? Hey, do you like the camera? What's this? Look at. What's that? What's that? Get it. What's that? What's that? Oh boy. It's 5:30 a.m. He's just crazy play mode. He's gonna get a surprise when this goes off, isn't he? Should go off any second now. What's over here? Look at what's that? What's going on, buddy? Oh, you're such a pretty boy. He hears it ticking. Yeah, what a good boy. Oh my goodness. Oh, what's gonna happen? He senses the tension. Oh, what a good boy. Hey, what's this? What's this? Look it. Look it. There it goes. Look it. Are you a Goonswarm cat? Are you? You sure are. You're crazy. Well, I thought I'd set this thing for like 2 minutes, but maybe not. What are you doing? Should be going off any minute. Show them what's this. Look it. Over here. Look it. What's that? What's going on? He didn't like the noise that it made. What are you doing? Are you getting it? Oh, you're such a good boy. All right, good night.